The 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, driver airbag, air conditioning, front, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, CD player, bucket seats, backup camera, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.